DJM TV.
Biafra don't form their own government. Better country people. How una side dey now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when be say the time be now, when be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day to informate yarns on top our service station when be DJM TV station. Na me una country brother Stanley Okocha. Na me one yarn una the tori when it be say the shele for this time on top our Obodo Naija. Yes, so country people, na another leg don draw come out for the inside the gbege when e be say e dey shele for inside Naija to take cut Biafra comot. Sake of say one before Naija Delta militant oga when im name be Alhaji Mujahid Asari Dokubo don yarn say na im be the new oga of the Biafra Customary Government BCG. For one tori informate when e be say the head of the informate and talk matter for the government when im name be Uche Mefo now come out, the informate yarn say George Oyibe na im be the secretary and Emeka Eziri go come be the oga for law matter for inside the new left government. Dokubo for inside the informate yarn say wayo when e be say law no put hand for and the GBT when e be say they push the Igbo pipo dey comot for inside Naija na im make am they come join hand together to take give better life to their people when e be say dem dey for inside Biafra. Im come promise say the new left government go give better care for the security matter when e be say the Igbo pipo dey face and still use science plus technology take make life easy for the Igbo pipo for Biafra. For im mouth as im take yarn the informate, we as pipo don agree say as Biafra the time don reach when e be say we go take our own destiny for our own hand and come bring freedom for ourselves, our children and for the generation of Biafra people when e be say dem never born. I be first drop back small but I thank Baba God there say the day don break when e be say we go take work and serve our mama land. So I don agree to do this work and I go give my life 100% put inside this work. My first work today as I take my seat na to name the people when e be say dem go join me for this driver seat when I don sit down put so to take drive pass the time when we be say we dey so sake of say na the time of serious gbege na im we dey so. But I know say time no fit dey for me sake of say na serious gbege I know say e go come out for inside this one. But no wahala, I dey ground berekete. Na so im yarn as in the yarn for the informate when e be say the knack come out. I wan call my brother George Oyibe make e come take him seat sake of say na im go be the sekedo to take join drive this left customary government for the state of Biafra. Na im go dey arrange everything when e be say e go concern the way we go take the run for inside the day-to-day matter for the government for Biafra. I wan still call our own brother when him name be Emeka Eziri make he come take him own seat too, make him for the handle the law matter for this our new government when e be say e be the left government when e be say e still dey grow. For Alhaji Asari Dokubo mouth, my brothers and sisters, na before of us go start the government, we go still come call other people as we begin the wakament when e be say we don begin so. We want the people when e be say we go want make them use their mind to take join us because nothing remain again. We be the people when e be say we don use our mind to take help ourselves and even the rest of una. I still dey wan call all Biafra people when dey inside the different parts of Biafra like Aba, Abakaliki, Anang, Awka, Calabar, Degema, Eket, Enugu, Nsukka, Ogoja, Oji River, Okigwe, Onitsha, Okpobo, Olu, Owerri, Port Harcourt, Umuahia, Uyo and Yenagoa area. We go continue and we go put area government for all these places when we say we don chook mouth put so. But first, we go start when we put area assemblies. Then we go come add area government and na so others go come follow. make anybody not think say Biafra go bad pass Naija. Dokubo come yarn join say nothing go bad pass wetin pipo dey face now for inside Naija. E yarn say im left government go take correct care for everybody when e be say dem go dey for inside the Biafra sake of say wetin all the people go need. For Asari Dokubo himself mouth again, ogbonge Biafra people, our government go put our eye and our hand for inside security matter well sake of that we go put big boggery to take buy all the things when e be say we need to take put better security for we people and their property. We go still put big boggery for science plus technology when we go use to dey do new things when e be say e go come make life easy, sweet and boku enjoymentation go come dey for we people for inside the Biafra when we go don start. We go pursue school and arrange everything wella so that we people go fit dey eat well. The Biafra new oga come still put mouth for the food when people when e be say dem dey for north of Naija be do block put make e no enter south when e dey for inside Naija before dem come still remove the block when dey be first put. Here as im take yarn am for im own mouth. Una go remember the plan when e be say dem be arranged to take stop food make e no dey come from the north part of Naija. The thing come over dem and na so dem come fail and na so dem go continue to dey fail. The left government wey we be say we wan bring for Biafra so go make sure say we go dey eat only wetin we dey produce for inside the Biafra land. The Biafra oga come still yarn join say dem no go do serious gbege wey be say e go be war, but their plan be say dem go really do am in a way wey be say everything wey e be say dem plan go come hold water and go come get head. Hear am as im yarn again with im mouth. Nobody go fit stop us as dem do before for the first war. We no go follow dem do any gbege for war. Na waka we dey waka and na the waka we go waka enter inside the freedom. And na the waka so we don start. We no go fire any kalash as dem dey arrange well for their side sake of say dem dey arrange for war. But dem no go see anybody to kpai because we no dey for war and we no stand for war. With their kalash dem fit dey arrange, but we no go gree like that because we no dey for war. We dey for peace waka and na the waka we go with the waka we go get where we dey go and na so we go take achieve our left government and even Biafra himself. Country people, una go remember say for time wey don tey well the people of Biafra don dey gbege seriously with the Naija government to make sure say dem go see how dem go take cut comot for inside Naija. But all this time the Naija government never gree. And even all this time so when e be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey lead the gbege to see say dem cut Biafra comot, Alhaji Mujahid Asari Dokubo im be the oga for the Niger Delta militant and im too cause the gbege for the Niger Delta to make sure say government do wetin suppose for the Niger Delta people. But that time im be disagree with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sake of say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come mention the area when e be say e dey for Niger Delta join Biafra. But this one when e be say im come do U-turn so come do reverse join so come go say im wan lead the Biafra so na only God know the plan when e be say they don arrange. Country people, na here our tori for break leg for this time when e be say we dey so. We wan thank una on top the time when e be say una don take the look us since, and we wan still beg una say make una like, make una comment and make una still share this news informate video when we be say we carry come give una. We wan still beg una say make una subscribe if e be say una never subscribe all this time. And once una subscribe, abeg make una touch that place when be the notification bell so that una go continue dey get alert anytime we be say we knack ogbonge tori when dey shele like this one come out. We wan still beg all the business people say we dey do advertisement for inside this our TV station. You get that good, you get that service when be say you dey give to country people, bring the informate come make we help you informate country people. Sake of say we get plenty of them when they always watch us anytime we knack tori come out like this, so that dem go come know about that your goods, dem go come know about that your service, and you go come dey do business well well, and better money go dey enter your bank aza anytime, and you go dey enjoy your business siriri well. Until next time when e be say we go come with another ogbonge tori wey go don share at that time. My name na still Stanley Okocha on top DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.